I'm not gonna waste your time. This is a no BS guide to becoming a confident introvert. If you are tired of feeling overlooked or misunderstood, and you long to exude confidence and captivate others, this video will help you immensely. This is a foolproof way to become a confident introvert by embracing your mysterious side. As an introvert, you possess unique qualities and that makes you incredibly intriguing. You are great listeners, observant, and naturally deep thinkers. By embracing your mysterious nature, you can leverage these strengths to your advantage. And this brings us to step 1. Embrace your inner mystery. Instead of feeling pressure to be the center of attention, focus on cultivating an air of intrigue. Start by nurturing your passions and hobbies. Dive deep into your interests, whether it's art, music, or the gym. Become an expert in your chosen field, whether it's mastering marketing techniques, becoming a pro at coding, or excelling in crypto. As you develop your expertise, you'll naturally exude confidence and captivate others with your knowledge and passion. To implement this, let's take the example of an introvert who has a passion for digital painting. Set aside dedicated time each week to immerse yourself in a world of creation. Experiment with different techniques, softwares, or digital brushes, and challenge yourself to create artwork that evokes curiosity and fascination. As you become more skilled and confident in your artistic expression, that confidence will overflow into the rest of your life, and others will be drawn to your mysterious artistic aura. Step 2. Master the art of non-verbal communication. Our body language speaks volumes, and by harnessing its power, we can convey confidence effortlessly. Maintain eye contact, stand tall, and move with purpose. Remember, it's not about being the loudest voice in the room, it's about projecting an aura of self-assuredness that draws people in. To put this into practice, the next time you're at a party or a social event, instead of blending into the background, focus on your body language. When someone approaches you, maintain eye contact, smile warmly, and offer a firm handshake. By displaying confident, non-verbal cues, you'll intrigue others and make a memorable impression. To practice, start by observing your own body language in different social settings. Pay close attention to your posture, facial expressions, and hand gestures. Take moments to pause, breathe, and align your body to radiate confidence. Stand in front of a mirror and experiment with different poses to find what makes you feel the most confident. Step 3. Craft your personal style. Your appearance can be a powerful tool in projecting an air of mystery. Experiment with fashion choices that reflect your unique personality, and don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd. Dressing in a way that intrigues others will naturally spike their curiosity and make you memorable. To take action on this advice, spend some time exploring different fashion styles that resonate with you. Experiment with colors, patterns, and accessories that make you feel confident and showcase your personality. I highly suggest taking inspiration from outfits on Pinterest or follow fashion accounts on Instagram. Don't be afraid to mix and match multiple elements to create a look that is uniquely yours. Step 4. Go to the gym. Taking care of your body is an essential part of boosting your confidence. Consider incorporating regular exercise into your routine, such as going to the gym or practicing a physical activity that you enjoy, such as rock climbing or boxing. Building a strong aesthetic body not only enhances your physical appearance, but also boost your self-esteem. What you need to do is find a form of exercise that resonates with you. It could be weightlifting, calisthenics, martial arts, or any activity that gets your body moving and makes you strong. Set aside at least 1 hour every day to research what gym you can go to or what exercises are the best for muscle growth, then actually go and do them. Make it a habit to prioritize your fitness and set achievable goals for yourself. As you progress on your fitness journey, you'll not only see physical transformations but also experience a newfound sense of confidence and empowerment.